this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got another cooking video for you. This is a recipe that I found online, and I will give credit to Lynn below that I got the recipe from. It's for a gluten-free chocolate muffin, but we're going to call it a peanut butter banana chocolate muffin because it was really good, but it had a fair amount of banana and peanut butter flavor. So if you don't like those, you might want to skip this recipe. I have got another one I'm going to try in a few weeks. We've been trying to eat a little better, a little lighter in the summer, but I will try another one that maybe doesn't have so much banana and peanut butter, but this one was really good. I featured it in an around the house video a few weeks ago, and I'm finally getting around to sharing it with you guys. Thank you, Lynn, for the recipe, and thanks for stopping by our channel. Hope you enjoy the video. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye. Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to try a new recipe for a flourless chocolate muffin. It's gluten-free, and even though we don't have gluten-free problems in our family, we know several people that do, and I do like the idea of less flour, so we're going to see how this comes out. The list of ingredients you'll need are peanut butter, milk, eggs, cornstarch, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. I guess without the flour we need more leavening, some baking cocoa and chocolate chips, so it's going to be really fudgy, bananas, and some honey. So let's try to make flourless chocolate muffins. First step is to mash up the bananas, and then they said to add the peanut butter, the honey, the milk, and the eggs. So we're going to do that. Alright, I've got the wet ingredients mixed up. I also went ahead and preheated my oven to 350, and I have got some muffin liners in a tin. Now we're going to add all the dry ingredients. Okay, I've got the wet and the dry ingredients combined. I'll add the chips and fold those in lightly, and then we're going to fill up the muffin cups. The recipe says about 2/3 of the way full. It says to bake in your preheated 350-degree oven for 17 to 19 minutes. Be careful not to overbake. I'm going to check them at 15 in mine, and I will come back and let you know how they do. All right, I've got the batter mixed up. These are the flourless chocolate muffins. Let's hope it actually tastes pretty good. The banana must help keep them moist, so we're going to see in about 20 minutes how they taste. All right, these are out of the oven. They took right at 20 minutes in my oven for the toothpick to come out clean, and now we're going to cool them on a wire rack, and we will taste them and leave a comment below with how they tasted. All right, they're out of the oven. They've cooled. Someone's braver than me. I don't know if I like gluten-free flourless.
I don't know if I like them either.
And still hot.
They're good.
Are they okay? Can you taste the banana? I tasted the batter because I'm a batter girl, and I figured you could taste the banana. But
banana makes them very moist.
Yeah, it's a good way to use up bananas. Normally I make banana bread, banana muffins, have a banana snack cake, have black bottom banana bars, but I thought this would be a good try. They are very moist.
Good.
So gluten-free is not too bad?
Not too bad.
Awesome. Thank you, guinea pig. These are flourless chocolate muffins. They're gluten-free. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's Cook, y'all. I hope you'll hit that red subscribe button if you hadn't already, and like and comment, and have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.